this is an example of one of PTC's customers that is doing this whole digital thread. They were looking at digital transformation. So this is Group Beneteau. So they're a French company that makes yachts, as you can see here. And really, one of the big things for them is they look for their customers to have a very configurable product. Right, you can order your yacht exactly how you want to be configured and specified. So obviously that leads to uh, a lot of process controls to make sure that you are capturing that information, that you're delivering it, that you're a lot of flexibility as you produce, a different version every single time as you make these things. So Group Beneteau is really looking to digital transformation to help them with that kind of process and capturing that to really meet what their customers want. Okay, so some of you might have spotted inside the video, the Windchill video, there were some examples shown there, both on screen and also in the factory, of some of Group Beneteau's areas. So really, this is the digital thread as Group Beneteau is working through. So it's really around, as we said, capturing those requirements, making sure that what the customer is asking for is we've captured that information. Maybe we can do some design share from that, from using that 3D data that we've already got existing to share that out to make sure we understand what's happening. But then it's really around building that BOM, okay, building that configuration, getting that CAD structure right, building that EBOM structure, okay. And then once we've built that EBOM structure, now we need to define that out into the factory. So transforming that EBOM into an MBOM with our different options and variants, okay. And then we can use that MBOM to actually start developing our process plans and our validation processes. Okay, so we've got all that. We've got change running through all of that. So obviously, as things, products get evolved, we might be doing cost reductions, whatever it might be. We can handle the change through all of that because it's all linked and driven from the same source of data. And then we take that manufacturing information, and we basically that is being passed out onto the shop floor to build these digital work instructions that are used to help put this thing together. So they're looking to go completely paperless with all of their factory operations. And as well, not directly linked in, but still using that information is Group Beneteau is using a lot of marketing. Okay, so they've some of you might have seen there was a video that was doing the rounds a little while ago where they're using AR to show one of their motor yachts so you can see inside it, see what the options were. So again, that's taking that 3D CAD data, that visualization information, and reusing that for marketing purposes as well. Okay, so that's an example of one of PTC's customers who are using PLM to help them drive this digital thread throughout their organization.